Okay, so here's the final product. You see it looks really cute on my bike. By the way, I'm kind of stupid about putting things together, so if you have any mechanical sense whatsoever, you will be able to do this. Yeah, that's why I don't know on the reviews it said that it's hard to put together. I didn't think it was hard to put together at all, and I am not that bright at this stuff. So I think it's super cute. The safety strap, we'll take it apart here in a second. The reason why I'm making this video is because after I put it together, I found there's these little straps back here, and I'll tell you, and I thought it was to hold the tarp, so there's something that I'm not crazy about. So there's the fitting. I hope I have my back wheel on correctly, because I really couldn't find anything on YouTube about having to take this thing completely out, so I just did what I think was right. In other words, I did the quick release, and then I had to pull that out so that that could go on the inside of there. And I propped it up, as I said. Let me show you something that I don't like. There's no give. Like, if these snaps go out, that's that. And this tarp, you're not going to get any stretch on it. It's really cute, but no stretch. If this breaks, you're done. All right, so there's no adjust to it or anything. This is Velcro on the side, just to kind of hold it in place. Now, I may be stupid, like I said, but I can't figure out. So here, the tarp has these little things. I would think that you'd be able to fold it up if you're not using it, and then put it in there. But what it is these are for if you remove the tarp like this. Let's see. If you remove it like this, it's to roll it up. I'm sorry, I really don't have anybody that's willing to record this. It's to roll it up and put, where's those little straps? And put these straps around it. These straps around it. When you take your wheels off, you're gonna see these little things, so don't chunk them. They're for storage to put on the caps of your wheels. We'll go there in just a second. It's a pretty small cart. The design of it is very minimal, and it's really super cute. I find it pretty sturdy, but the thing is that this does not have any play. So what you see, you're gonna have to put bungee cords. If you have a load that's really tall for groceries or whatever, this isn't gonna cover it. And really the only thing you can do is if you want to keep this on, the only thing you're going to be able to do is go ahead and we'll snap this. Hopefully I'm recording. I'm doing this with one hand. This is crazy. Okay, so we're going to snap that, and I'm going to keep the tarp on. If the tarp is see, it should have a way to wrap it up. Text me at 940-489-2056 if you find a way to make this more acceptable. I don't get it. It's cray-cray. It's ridiculous. I guess I'm just going to use a bungee cord. But that should have a place. Let's see if it has any snaps right there. That should have a place to hold it, because it's either completely on or completely off. So I'm not crazy about that. All right, the next video we'll disassemble this joker. Let's see how it goes too.